When it comes to replacing doors in your Dallas home, selecting the right material is crucial. The hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms make Dallas climate unique, and choosing a door material that can withstand these conditions while complementing your home's aesthetic is essential for both durability and energy efficiency. Here, we'll dive into the best door materials for Dallas climate to help you make the right decision. Fiberglass doors. Durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice for homeowners in Dallas due to their ability to withstand extreme temperatures and resist wear and tear. Unlike wood, fiberglass does not warp, crack, or expand with humidity, which is crucial in Dallas, where temperature fluctuations can be drastic. Fiberglass doors are also energy efficient, helping to maintain consistent temperatures inside your home. They are insulated, which helps to keep cool air in during the summer and warm air in during the winter, lowering energy costs. For those interested in aesthetics, fiberglass doors come in a wide range of styles, from sleek modern designs to doors that mimic the look of wood. The versatility of fiberglass makes it an ideal choice for Dallas homeowners. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are another fantastic option for those prioritizing security and durability. Known for their strength, steel doors can provide an extra layer of protection for your home, making them a great choice in areas prone to storms, such as Dallas. Steel doors also resist dents and scratches, meaning they'll look great even after years of use. One of the standout features of steel doors is their excellent energy efficiency. Much like fiberglass, steel doors can be insulated, offering superior thermal protection. For Dallas residents, steel doors are especially beneficial because they provide resistance against the intense summer heat, keeping your home cooler and reducing the load on your air conditioning system. The main downside of steel doors is that they can be susceptible to rust if not properly maintained. However, many modern steel doors are coated with protective finishes that help prevent corrosion, making them a viable option for long-term durability in Dallas' humid climate. Wood doors. Classic beauty with a warm touch. Wooden doors offer timeless elegance and can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. If you're looking for a door material that offers a traditional aesthetic, wood is the way to go. While wood doors can be beautiful and add a sophisticated touch to any entryway, they do require more maintenance compared to fiberglass and steel options. In Dallas, where the summers are hot and the air can be humid, wood doors are vulnerable to warping, cracking, and expanding. However, this issue can be minimized with proper care. Choosing a high-quality wood door and ensuring that it is sealed with a protective finish can help it endure Dallas climate. Additionally, insulated wood doors are available, offering better energy efficiency while maintaining that classic wood appeal. Wood doors also provide natural insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. However, they are more susceptible to wear and weathering than fiberglass or steel, so homeowners must commit to regular upkeep, including painting or sealing the door periodically. Vinyl doors. Low maintenance and weather-resistant vinyl doors are an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Dallas because they are incredibly low maintenance and highly resistant to the elements. Vinyl is an excellent insulator, and it performs well in both hot and cold temperatures, which makes it a great option for the Texas climate. These doors are also resistant to moisture, meaning they won't swell or warp in the humid conditions typical of Dallas. Vinyl doors are also available in various styles and colors, so homeowners can find an option that fits their aesthetic preferences. While they may not have the same visual appeal as wood, vinyl doors are a practical solution for those looking for an affordable, durable option that can stand up to the elements with minimal care. Conclusion: choose the right door for your home. When selecting a door for your Dallas home, it's essential to consider the climate and your specific needs. Fiberglass doors offer a great balance of durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, while steel doors are ideal for those seeking extra security and strength. Wood doors are perfect for homeowners looking for a classic, elegant design, but they require more maintenance in Dallas climate. Vinyl doors, on the other hand, provide excellent insulation and require little upkeep, making them a solid choice for those prioritizing practicality. Whatever material you choose, be sure to select a high-quality door that is designed to handle the extreme conditions in Dallas, ensuring that it lasts for years while enhancing the beauty and comfort of your home.